What's up, everybody? Happy day 77 of day trading the market open with a small account until we decide to fund it again with more money. And I don't know what is in the air, but I got chatbots hitting the comments, got haters hitting the comments. It's okay. It's okay. This is just my journey. If you don't like it, if you feel like you don't know what I'm doing, it doesn't really matter. It's just me doing this. My journey, my money. If I want to lose tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars, I'm going to do it, whether you like it or not. And dang, it's only like, yeah, there's the bell. Yeah, it's a red streak, but like, what does it matter to you? You know, hopefully you take some little golden nuggets from my losses and learn. But some of the comments, it's just like, they're wild to me. I digress. Let's focus. LTRY is really the only thing I'm interested in right now. That was a nice push through VWAP from 2 to 210. Halt up's at 245. That's a decent range there. Halt down 163. This thing is still going. Pre-market high 229. Haters in my building. Just can remove this line. All right. So now, I thought yesterday was Friday too. I'm all backed up. 205, VWAP EMA, 220, 221, 229. Yeah, I mean, showing my losses. Hopefully somebody gets some type of benefit out of it. Maybe it's a mistake that you can avoid in the future. It's kind of why I'm just posting all the live footage. Hopefully it helps somebody out. All right, come on. This Zoom is not being my friend right now. Can deal with that Zoom. Got a daily level there at 222. 222s. Okay, this is looking strong. Oh, that's getting eaten at 245. Or what did I say? 225, 245? Not even at 245 yet. 225 was getting eaten. Got the 228, rejected off of 228. What is this all about? We got a reverse split here on DGLY. IMNN. I don't think I've seen this one yet. Oh, I should be watching this. I should absolutely be watching this. Halt bands are tight. Range. In a range. In a range. 1 minute to make a new high there over 27. Up to 39. All right, this is front side. I got to be taking these. Whether I'm ready or not, I got to be taking these. Can't be just waiting all day for the perfect setup. The perfect setup doesn't come, and then I'm forced to take a trade in a range. Thus, less likely of, bullish buying power. So, now that we cleared those levels, let's look at a daily chart real quick. What are we on? LTRY. Come on, now touch my da, 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 da. All right, LTRY. Guess let's go to the monthly chart then. Flirting with the monthly daily level now, then we should be kind of Gucci. $250, $248. Small sellers at $250. $250 sellers are won that battle for now. Oh, I can't do that. $250. Ooh, there's a break at $250. It's gonna hold. Green at $252. Back under $249. Ooh, snapped right back over 50 with some nice little buyer flash there. If today is red, we will be sizing down next week. We will be sizing down to get that confidence back up. $229. How far is this red gonna go? Look at that seller wall at 130. Ooh, that seller wall trying to get eaten for IMNN. Okay, this is still front side though. LTRY. That EMA's at like 29. Stock right now is at 39. Ooh, INMN on a halt up. Is it gonna lock in? I am going to wait for INMM. I think I will do that. Let's see if that thing squeezes out some shorts. Here are the daily levels for INMN. Oh yeah, boy. Where we at? Where are we? We're at 140. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Look at this gap. Oh, boy, if this thing gets above 185. Ho, ho, ho. Baby, look at this gap. Look at this gap. From 270 to 185, but the halt levels are going to be tight. Ho, 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 baby. Alright, the 1 minute to make a new high is going to be over 243. But I've decided I want to wait for INMN. Or I could just take it. Just take it. Try to take it and be done. The thing is it's still in a range. Should really not trade in a range considering the week I've had. Should really not trade in a range. Beautiful view of the lake over here. Working with the view. Having a really hard time with this 1 minute to make a new high over 243. The Bears not gonna let that happen or what? All right, we got about 2 minutes left until INMN opens. Haters in my building. SGBX, penny stock, 69 to, hey, that's actually not a bad range there. SGBX, 69 to 79 there. All right, we gotta try to get dialed. Another like minute and 50 seconds. It's gonna be the plan here. 148 pre-market high. That is 2 cents shy of the $0.50, the psychological resistance level. It looks like it might open flat, which is not really that great. SGBX, that'd be an entry right there. Okay, looks like SGBX could be, I know it's a penny stock. Oh, I say that and it's doing some funny business. All right, 30 seconds. Get focused, get dialed. All right, it's opening flat, so it's not opening, psychologically this is not opening overly bullish. So I need to be careful with a dip and rip here. Don't want to get caught in a wick. Game time. Ooh, gross open. Gross open. What's a halt down? 115. Real gross open. Ah, man, it had so much potential. It had so much potential. Into the halt down. Come on. Come on, is it gonna lock it in? Let's wait to see if it locks in. Yep, halt down is locked in. Okay. LTRY trying for that 1 minute to make a new high over 243. How's the volume? Volume's looking good right there. Volume looking good on this candle. Let's see if it's gonna push through. 243 and then 248. SGBX, nice candle also. 1 minute to make a new high over 80 cents. There's 80. Remember, it had massive problems with 243 a little bit ago. There's 244. Back to 243. Little fake breakout there. Don't do that to us. Don't do that to us. Finish your curl. Oh, man. $29, $28. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, I tried to hammer that at VWAP. What was that? What is it? This is really the sum up of my week. Do I not have the bid hotkey set up on this computer? Okay, I cannot lie, that immediately triggered me. I'm immediately frustrated. I need to reel that back in. I need to reel those emotions back in. So let's just talk it out and get it out of our system right now. We've had 2 or 3 days that we could not sell on the ask, which were green trades, and we ended up having to take $30 or $50 red trades. And then yesterday was a good trade. I don't mind it. $70 L. I don't mind the risk to reward. And then that one should have been a green bounce off of VWAP, and I got some type of error message, which probably means that my hotkey is not set up correctly on this computer, my traveling computer. All right, done. It's over, out of the way. On to the next one. On to the next one, like Lil Wayne. Took half off on the VWAP bounce. Took the rest off. Small green trade, I'll take it. MF in stock market, man. Good bounce. I like that entry. Stock market trying to get me stressed out over like $10. This is so dumb. So dumb. Like I said earlier, what does it even matter? It's just $70, $50, $30. What does it even matter? It's just the repetition and the screen time. What does it all mean, Basil? Should I walk away for the confidence boost? Nah, let's get the screen time in. INMN. See if this thing bear troops. LTRY, I don't remember what you're doing. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. When's this thing gonna open? In like a minute. I gotta remind myself why that. Oh, I don't think we looked at the daily levels on SGBX. 1 minute to make a new highs here, 85. And INMN, halt downs at 1. VWAP's at 102. 1 minute to make a new high was just made on SGBX. Let's see if it gets to this daily level. At about 86 cents. It's already done it once, so shouldn't be too difficult, I imagine. And rejected off of it. Halt down 69 cents now for SGBX. Starting to roll over into range bound territory, which is not great. And INMN tried to get into a halt up. False halt. False halt. All down on SGBX is 69 cents. VWAP's at, or that daily level here, not VWAP, sorry. This daily level is at like 66 cents. Halt up moved up to 140 for IMNN. Wick. Got some buyers showing up, huh? The green, you know, the volume looks decent. The red volume, not too shabby. It's not too hurtful, although it did get caught in a halt down. So this thing might have some life still. Oh, I say that, and then that red candle just pretty much took the crown. But most of that were buyers, so let's not get that twisted. Let's not get that twisted. Are we gonna get a bear trap here? Bear trap over 80 cents. Plus the 1 minute to make a new high there. Bear trap would really be over VWAP around 78 cents. And the 1 minute to make a new high would just be icing on the cake. I guess confirmation, if you will. Dude, first day of summer. You know, if you're not aware yet, we are at the lake. Caught a fish. Nice, decent sized catfish. I was pretty stoked about it. My kid was super stoked about it. It was awesome. So we're gonna try to get another one today. I was using cheese for bait. And last time I caught an even bigger catfish, and I was using deli meat for bait. Just whatever's in the fridge, just throw it on the line, you know. Have some fun with the kiddos. Ouch to LTRY. Okay, you know, I said the bear trap, but I don't want to get caught in the range-bound bear trap. What's halt down here for SGBX? 64 cents. It's right near lower band. Bands that make good dance. Bands that make good dance. Halt down for IMNN is 115. Man, we got some ugly stuff going on right now. LTRY. Ooh, LTRY with the bear trap. But is it gonna? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That was a good bear trap. The volume says otherwise, though. Let's wait for some more volume to kick in here. Gotta fix our zoom. Volume's looking pretty weak with 15 seconds left in this minute. We're not gonna take that one. Move that to the new peak there. This thing gonna curl or what? 235. All right, this one was the fumbled hotkey, wasn't it? 5% bounce. Is that pre-market high 229? It is. It is. You can get rid of that now, though. $222. Okay, let's not forget LTRY is still range bound, so let's not get too excited. Especially that green volume candle is looking kind of slow. Let's go back to INMN. Trying to get back on front side. Halt up's at 146, which is just shy of pre-market high. You know, this is definitely providing some range, though. Look at this, 118. It's 14%. Okay, we're just gonna be patient. Just gonna be patient. That SGBX was front side, was it not? Yes. Sure was. The first, second, third pullback. Ooh, risky though. Risky on the third pullback on the front side, but that's all right. Took it. Took the bounce. Can't get rid of this level too. Is SGBX, is the bottom gonna fall out on this thing? IMNN pushing up. Let's see if it cracks 140. Man, tough. Tough, IMNN. You're tough. You might break out a little bit later today, but I won't be here for that. SGBX is bleeding. Bleeding. Alright, we got a little bit of a... Let's see if that baby holds. $128 to $136. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. But is it going to get tighter and tighter, or is it going to fail? I'm going to try to just watch the speed of the tape here. See if it can give me a prediction of speeding up to the upside or speeding up to the downside. Or should I just try to play this little wedge? Let's just wait. Instead of trying to predict the breakout with only like one trade left, let's wait. Hey, LTRY. Oh, 42%. Still in a range. That needs some more love. Okay, this is trying to break. Oh, it looked like it was trying to break down. Let's see. Yo, this DGLY, what is this, that reverse split? 234 to 260. Looks like it's halted up now. Yeah, 1 to 100 reverse stock split. Interesting. That's provided some opportunities though, it looks like. Should we watch it? Probably, right? Alright. This thing broke out, or broke down. See if it reclaims. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Okay. Halt down's at 118. I am in. Let's see if you false halt. Maybe we'll take a wick. And you're gonna get locked in, it looks like. Locked in, halt down. Alright. Alright. Wow, LTRY also got smacked. Morning. We back, baby, like switch a house. Halt down on LTRY's 172, lower bands at 187. So, things get really nutty. SGBX, lower band, is it gonna bounce? It's kind of just been bleeding out. What's up with this? We got 3 stocks with pretty decent sized red candles right out of it. Oh, I don't have, there we go. Alright, nothing too crazy on this buy. Just making sure something absolutely nutty didn't happen. I'm gonna close this door real quick. We back. Trying to hide out in the pool house, but people keep coming in. It's alright. I'm interested to see if IMNN comes down and touches VWAP after this resumption. I want to see what happens there. VWAP bounce off a resumption, halt down. Bid showing on 111, ask is showing 115. And we got about 50 seconds until that stock opens again. PMAX? What's PMAX? All right, 20 seconds. All right, let's see what happens. VWAP's at 106. Halt down's at 103. See if it gets a little bit of a relief bounce. Halt up is 133. There's the minute to make a new high. We are on like backside here, so won't be doing that. Although it can be pretty unpredictable when its stock is halting up and halting down, because it's like you don't really have an opportunity as a buyer to get in or get out. Ooh, PMAX is up 55%. Let's see what this is all about. Missed the whole run there. Went from 30 cents to 59. 76% move. Halt down's now at 106 for IMNN. VWAP's at 107, so I have to be really careful there. PMAX halt up's at 69 cents. 1 minute to make new highs over 52. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's not letting me take my shares again. I think it's this hotkey button over here. Oh no. I think it's this window. It's this window that's causing me problems here. Interesting. I gotta look at the settings after. I wonder why that would be, though. Why would that be? Six 107. I really need to see what this window says. It's at halt down's 99 cents. What's this window say? Buy min best order type. Oh, my auto send is not on for. Auto send is not on for that one. All right.
Zane's up. Champ's up.
All right.
No, it's not anything cool.
Nice. Ooh, PMAX at 66% now. Bear trapped, 57 to, no, 50 to 57. Okay, so I need to fix that auto. I need to fix that auto send setting for this.
Okay.
For this configuration over here.
Uh-huh.
Well, there's been 3 attempted trades. One was a green trade. One should have been a green trade, but the auto send wasn't on. And the third one would have been a green trade, but the auto send wasn't on as well. So this, you know, can't be mad at the day. I mean, accuracy wise, was right there. Right there. Halt down's at 98 now. Halt up 128. What's SGBX just getting worked? DJLY halted down. LTRY just kind of chilling. I mean, I think we just lock it in. Lock it in. You know, everything's kind of backside right now, so I think I'm just going to lock it in. Plus, we got some distractions going on, but that's all right. So, I'm out of here. $20-some green. Spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how you guys did. I'm going to try to figure out this auto send situation, but, yep, I'm out. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.